everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing my fridge clean and organise with you. So after my last food haul I decided that the fridge really needed a good clean because I hadn't done it since before Christmas and it was not looking nice, as you can see. But I gave it a good clean, and also I'm going to be sharing how I put all the food away because I know some of you like to see that too. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and it gives you some motivation. So if you're wondering why I did this bit separately, it is because I was going to leave these parts because I didn't think they needed doing, but when I looked closer it turns out they actually did need a good clean. I couldn't be bothered to take the drawers out and wash them like I did with the other things, so that's why I'm just using an antibacterial wipe, but it did the job and it looks so much better after I did it. so that is my fridge all nice and clean and organised. If you are wondering, it does look slightly different to when I originally organised it, and that's just because I filmed this section at the end of the day where we had already eaten things and it's moved around slightly. But it's still nice and clean and organised, and I feel so much better when I get this done, so I am aiming to do it every week. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this and it's motivated you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye!